friends, welcome to the video today. And जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, we have a very good friend of ours. He is a very well-known gamer, content creator. He is into editing also and a very genuine customer. इनके आज कुछ queries थे जो it is like each and every consumer today has that same query. So let's get in touch and let's meet Mr. Karan. Hi Mr. Karan, how are you doing today?
Very good. What about you?
All good, sir.
Yeah. So I was searching about new graphics card to create my gaming setup and as well as editing setup. So I was searching about them and I found very much card in the market and I was like confused what to buy and what to not. So I was concerned about that only.
So as we have seen your concern, Karanji, that there is a huge jungle out there of graphic cards and you're pretty much concerned, but we are here to navigate you through them.
So मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स देखे, बहुत सारा सर्च किया, तो मेरे को समझ में आया कि बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं और बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के बहुत सारे GPUs हैं, लेकिन मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मेरे को गेमिंग एज वेल एज एडिटिंग के लिए सबसे अच्छा कौन सा ग्राफिक्स कार्ड रहेगा. आपको एक सजेशन दे सकते हो मेरे को, या फिर मैं AMD की तरफ से कौन से सारी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है जो उनसे compete कर सकते.
Okay, so I completely understand where you're coming from, and so let me introduce you to these two beasts available over here. The RX 7900 XT and the 7900 XTX. These basically are the current market rulers of AMD at the moment.
Okay.
Before starting, just take a look at the RX 7900 XT and 7900 XTX, powered by AMD's RDNA 3rd generation architecture with chipset technology, are the epitome of speed and efficiency. The RX 7900 XT and XTX are like the superheroes of the gaming world. The XT hits you with a boost frequency of up to 2400 MHz and the XTX cranks it up even further to 2500 MHz. These are the best in the market currently and they are for the gamers and content creators who demand nothing but the best in the market in today's date. तो ये आपको काफ़ी satisfy कर देगा.
Okay. ये जो ग्राफिक्स कार्ड है ये दूसरों से अलग कैसे है? लाइक अगर मैंने पावरफुल लाइक जो मेरी गेमिंग है वो AAA प्लस गेम टाइटल्स गेम्स में गेम खेलता हूँ मैं, और उसके साथ जो मैं एडिटिंग करता हूँ वो भी लाइक 6 to 8 आवर्स इन वन गो करता हूँ, ठीक है. तो उसके लिए ये कैसे मेरे को ज़्यादा पावर देंगे और कैसे ये ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे मेरे वर्क के लिए?
अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि आप 8+ आवर्स रेंडर करते हो एंड आफ्टर दैट यू प्ले AAA टाइटल्स. अभी जैसे AAA टाइटल्स में आज के डेट में आपका काफ़ी गेम्स अभी नए आ रहे हैं एंड देयर आर इवन प्रीवियस टाइटल्स, जैसे आपको Cyberpunk 2077 था एंड यू हैड मल्टीपल अदर गेम्स विच वर देयर. तो दीज बेबीज हैंडल देम विथ ईज. आपको कोई तकलीफ नहीं आएगा एंड यू कैन ईजली यूज़ देम विदाउट एनी वरी. अभी जैसे आपका 8+ आवर्स आप बोल रहे थे आपका वीडियो एडिट होता है, तो ये आराम से हैंडल कर लेंगे. दीज बेबीज़ आर मेंट टू टेक दैट मच प्रेशर ऑन देम. तो ये ईजिली आपका पूरा काम हैंडल कर लेगा. एंड जस्ट टू लेट यू गाइज नो, हमने बेंचमार्क का टेस्ट करके रखा है, तो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट आवर बेंचमार्किंग टेस्ट रिपोर्ट बिलो. See how it stacks up against the competition. The overlap between the yellow, which defines performance, and green, which defines the price bars, is minimal, meaning you are getting top-notch performance without breaking the bank.
Wow, the number are so impressive. But मैंने सुना है कि AMD के graphics card as compared to other आज थोड़ा expensive होता है. Are they really expensive or just rumor?
Let us bust this myth for you today. वैसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है सर. AMD graphic cards are priced very competitively and in many places the graphic cards price are much more cheaper than the competitors.
Okay. But why should I choose this graphic card over others? Or what about the future proofing of the card? And also like मेरे को कार्ड जो है वो 1 से 2 साल नहीं चलाना, लाइक मैं जो खरीद रहा हूँ वो 2 से 3 साल का सोच रहा हूँ, तो उसके लिए भी आप मेरे को कुछ बताइए.
करण जी, जैसे आपका कंसर्न है, दैट्स अ वेरी वैलिड कंसर्न ओवर हियर, बट दीज टू बेबीज आर easily going to handle all the intense pressures without any issues. The XT boasts of boost frequency of up to 2400 MHz, while the XTX ramps it up even further with a boost frequency of up to 2500 MHz with 84 and 96 ray tracing accelerators and 168 and 192 AI accelerators. It's a force to be reckoned with. Whether you are gaming at 4K or tackling heavy-duty editing tasks, the RX 7900 XT delivers unparalleled performance. In fact, it outperforms many other cards in its price range, as evidenced by its 3D Mark Time-Spy graphics score of 26,543. With the AMD RDNA 3rd Gen architecture featured on the AMD Radeon RX 7000 series, graphic card experienced the next generation advancements in GPU design with all new AI accelerators on the world's first chiplet-based GPU for design for gamers. And as you can see, the AMD RDNA 3 comes with 2nd Gen ray tracing and AMD Infinity Cache 2nd Gen memories. These are basically AI accelerated. They come with AMD Radiance display engine and they have the newest chiplet design for future proof.
Wow, that's some serious firepower. You mentioned about chiplet technology. What is it? And can you explain me about that?
Definitely. अभी जो latest इनका technology है, which is called as chiplet technology. Basically, if you see, your GPUs are built, the other older generation GPUs, they were built on larger dies. Okay. But in this, what AMD has done is they have done them on smaller dies, making them very much faster, and they are capable of doing much heavier workloads in much shorter period of times.
Got it.
G.
Thank you so much for giving me a good knowledge about RX 7900 XT and XTX. I can't wait to get my hands on it.
Definitely, it's been a pleasure, Karan. And these babies are capable of easily handling all your work pressures with ease, and they are powerful enough to help you out with all your future works ahead. So Mr. Karan, I hope you're totally satisfied, and it's a pleasure having you with us today. I am sure you'll be blown away by the capabilities of this GPU and the power with it. And definitely, you guys know where to find me. Anytime you have any queries, you can definitely reach out to us. Thank you.